Hello Eagle Targeters, welcome back to our channel, where we consistently deliver the latest and fastest updates in the field of current military affairs.
At the prestigious Farnborough International Airshow, which commenced on July 22, 2024, Boeing unveiled significant plans for the advancement of its MQ-25 Stingray, an unmanned aerial refueling aircraft designed for the U.S. Navy. Troy Rutherford, the program manager for the MQ-25 at Boeing, announced that the USN is anticipated to issue the first request for proposals for low-rate initial production in the latter half of 2024. A contract is expected to be awarded by mid-2025, marking a crucial step in the project's progression. The MQ-25 Stingray is Boeing's innovative unmanned aerial refueling aircraft developed for the U.S. Navy. It is primarily designed to extend the combat range of carrier-based aircraft such as the F/A-18 Super Hornet and the F-35C Lightning II, thereby enhancing operational flexibility and endurance. As the first operational carrier-based unmanned aircraft in U.S. naval aviation, the MQ-25 signifies a monumental leap forward in military aviation technology. Equipped with state-of-the-art avionics and an advanced aerial refueling system, the MQ-25 can deliver approximately 15,000 pounds of fuel 500 nautical miles from the carrier. This capability fundamentally transforms the role and operational capacity of carrier air wings, providing unprecedented support to manned aircraft during extended missions. Currently, Boeing is producing 6 MQ-25 units at its St. Louis, Missouri facility. One of these units is designated for static testing, while the remaining 5 serve as development, engineering, and manufacturing models. These EMD models are critical as they act as aerial test vehicles, setting the stage for eventual LRIP. The first flight of an MQ-25 EMD is slated for December 2025. In a strategic move to bolster production efficiency, Boeing plans to relocate MQ-25 production to MidAmerica St. Louis Airport in Mascoutah, Illinois, by the end of 2025. This relocation is part of a comprehensive strategy to transition the MQ-25 program from its developmental phase to full-scale production. Boeing's development team is also concentrating on significant internally funded software improvements. This new software aims to enable a USN F/A-18 Super Hornet or E-2D Hawkeye to remotely control MQ-25 units. This capability will allow aircraft needing refueling to directly manage the Stingray's flight path and refueling operations, thereby increasing mission efficiency and effectiveness. The software advancements are critical as much of it is newly created to meet the specific requirements of a new ground control station and USN contractual standards. The need for new software arises from the fact that the prototypes, which first flew in September 2019, operate under different technological frameworks. Boeing's unveiling of the MQ-25 Stingray at the Farnborough International Airshow 2024 underscores the company's commitment to advancing naval aviation technology. As the project moves towards LRIP and eventually full-scale production, the MQ-25 Stingray stands poised to revolutionize aerial refueling operations, significantly enhancing the U.S. Navy's operational capabilities. With continuous technological advancements and strategic production planning, Boeing is set to deliver a game-changing asset to the U.S. Navy, redefining the future of carrier-based operations.
Thank you for watching. Hopefully, this show can broaden the knowledge for you and your family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help grow this channel even bigger.